Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make idli batter at your home. So for this idli batter, what you need, here I soaked 4 cups of idli rice in the hot water, guys. So here I soaked the rice, 4 cup of idli rice in the hot water. Why we are adding the hot water? Because when we are grinding this rice, we will get a smooth and fluffy batter. That's why we are adding the hot water. And here I added 1.5 cup of urud dal. So and here is some methi. So we can add 1 to 2 spoon of methi in the rice. So yeah, so after 2 to 3 hours we have to soak this one for 2 to 3 hours. Then we have to grind it in the mixie, or we can use the grinder. So yeah, so hey guys, we are grinding the urud dal. So we have to grind this urud dal for 25 minutes until we get a fluffy batter. So yeah, so first thing we have to grind the urud dal. Then we will add that idli rice which we soaked. So we have to soak all these things for 3 to 4 hours. So yeah. So we have to add water little guys. Don't add too much water, otherwise the batter will become runnery, very loose. So yeah. Hey guys, my urud batter is ready. Can you see how it looks very soft? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this urud batter in the water. Can you see it's floating? It's not going inside. So that means the urud batter is ready. So I'm going to take this urud batter in the another vessel. So I removed the urud batter and I put it in the big container, that is the Tupperware, and it's time to add the rice. Hey guys, here I'm adding this lukewarm water while grinding. So if you are living in hot countries like India, because the summer will start soon in India, you can add the cold water while you are grinding. Even the ice water you can add. If you are living in cold countries like Australia and New Zealand, the winter is going to start soon. You can grind by adding lukewarm water. So yeah, so this is the small tips for the for getting smooth idli. Hey guys, after 10 to 20 minutes of grinding, I'm adding little bit of water into this. So yeah, so after adding water, we have to cover this one with the lid. Then again we have to grind it for another 20 minutes until the batter will become very smooth. So my rice batter is ready guys, and I'm going to add this batter into this urud dal. So I added the rice batter into this urud dal batter, and we have to mix this one with our hand for up to 5 to 10 minutes guys. Then only we will get very smooth idli. Massage. Yes. Don't use any spoon or ladle. We have to use our hand only, and it gives a nice. Yeah. So we are putting the batter in the stand. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . and we are keeping this one in the idli pressure cooker. So if you don't have this one, you can cook in the ordinary cooker. So yeah, and this idli stand is always is also available in all the shopping center in South India. Hey guys, we removed the idli from the idli stand, and we had to cook this idli for 5 to 7 minutes, and we have to check with the knife whether it is perfectly cooked or not. And you can have this idli with chutney, sambar, and today we are having this gunpowder. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make soft idli by step at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.